Understanding Tech 101. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase Tech 101. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Tech 101 is made up of two parts, Tech and 101. Tech. This is short for technology. It refers to things like computers, smartphones, software, and other electronic devices or methods. 101. In American universities and colleges, 101 is often used as a course number for introductory classes. So, if a course is labeled as 101, it usually means that it's a beginner's course or an introduction to the subject. When combined, Tech 101 generally refers to the basics of technology or an introductory guide to understanding technology. 1. Referring to basic knowledge. If someone is new to technology or a specific tech product, you might say, "Let me give you a Tech 101 lesson on this." 2. Titles of workshops or courses. If there's a beginner's workshop on technology, it might be called a Tech 101 workshop. 3. Casual conversations. You might hear someone say, "I'm so behind on the latest gadgets. I need a Tech 101 class." This means they feel they need a basic introduction to current technology. It's important to note that Tech 101 refers to basic or introductory knowledge. It wouldn't be accurate to use Tech 101 inches when talking about advanced technological concepts. For instance, correct. Let's start with Tech 101. How to turn on your computer. Incorrect. Let's dive into Tech 101, quantum computing principles. Remember, Tech 101 is all about the basics. And there you have it. Tech 101 is a casual way of referring to the basics or introductory knowledge of technology. Whether you're teaching, learning, or just having a conversation, it's a handy phrase to know. We hope this explanation was clear, and that you'll feel confident using Tech 101 in your future discussions about technology. Happy learning!